Ah, yes. Good morning, everybody. It is March 5th, and it is the day I finally get to meet one of my favorite YouTubers, Tom Merrick. I am going to take his handstand workshop in Long Island. Super excited. Y'all don't even know. I'm just waking up right now. I'm doing this live and direct. But I'm going extra today. Wu-Tang socks. I have to say, because of this guy, one, I truly got into and fell in love with cooking. Healthy cooking, I should say. Healthy cooking, right? Because of him, it definitely helped push my discipline, self-discipline. Sometimes you don't have everyone to train with or a gym. So sometimes at home is all that you got. I got all my equipment. I got blocks, few free weights in the back, foam roller, hot spot as I like to call it, and we get it in. If you look all around my apartment, from the kitchen to the living room to right here, the practice area, you can see that this young man has really influenced me. I am not too proud to say that I was influenced by someone younger. Knowledge is knowledge, and if someone has put in the time to learn something very specific and you're new to it, it doesn't matter who you learn it from, as long as you get the information that you need. Feel me? So, let's move on to getting ready, having breakfast, and get the day going. The juice of juice every morning. As my boy Blend would say, cafe time. Tom helped that influence. I didn't drink coffee for like 36 years. Then all of a sudden, I stumbled upon this channel, Bodyweight Warrior, and all of a sudden, I started doing that. I started having dark chocolate. I also was able to fill up my cabinet, all types of goodies, dried fruits, more chocolate, everything you can think of. Lester.
Yeah, you guys are close to blonde.
Get the hand out there. Yeah, man. The man himself. Finally. It's a pleasure, brother. Thank you. So that wraps up an amazing workshop. Shout out to Ulrik. Shout out to Tom. Shout out to Balance, Fitness, Flexibility. We really brought in some amazing talent and an amazing awareness of handstand balance, levers, and presses, and all types of balance. Big thank you for hosting this, and we need more people like this on the East Coast that'll
Thank you for
support.
coming. It means a lot.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot.
My pleasure.
Evans. Lester.